friends, families, supporters, and viewers, good evening po. A word of welcome to each and everyone as we are about to celebrate the Rachel's or Langa's 18th birthday. So, I welcome you all in this prestigious celebration of Langa 18th birthday. So, i-highlight ko lang po dito yung mga pumunta, no? Family of Rachel Morales, dito po, on the left side. And also the side of her mother, the side of the Morales family and the Arriba family. Yeah, give round of applause. Next one, family and friends. Andyan yung classmates niya over there. O ikaw naman. Friends and classmates. And syempre yung family ko din po, andito din po. Yan, sila mama, si papa. So, welcome. Syempre yung mga kasamahan naming mga vloggers dito. Yan, sila Kuya Rene, sila Titay. Yan, welcome everyone. And most especially ang ating mga minamahal po na mga supporters. Palakpakan po natin lahat. Thank you so much for joining with us tonight sa special day ni Langga. Thank you sa inyong pagpunta and mag-enjoy po tayong lahat sa mga the rest of program. Thank you so much and God bless us all.
Ladies and gentlemen, our dearest Dono himself. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're doing a live show, you're actually getting this. So folks, kindly give us a little while to actually fix this one. And here we go. Let's watch this. And the first bouquet of flowers came from Papa. And here's another one to the Prince. Let's give them a round of applause. Everybody now, thank you. You are beautiful, Rachel May, as you have always been. Everyone, once again, let's give ourselves the biggest round of applause. Congratulations to all of you that this night has been made possible because of your love and kindness. God bless everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we may all be seated. Thank you. Oh my goodness, baby. You're now looking even more beautiful. Once again, congratulations. This is one of your biggest nights. Ladies and gentlemen, to formally, of course, begin with this one, we kindly request our dearest family, our Papa Rayson, and the siblings of our dearest Langga, Miss Hazel, Miss Sherilyn, Mr. Ian Chris, and Miss Kathleen Althea, to join our birthday girl for this photo opportunity. Thank you. Yeah. Everyone was saying that she's looking like a princess. Exactly. Our princess come alive tonight. Thank you so much. it dance, and it was
Hindi na naman ako. Ilang birthday yung gano'n. Kailangan ko magbabago, mag-aaral ng mabuti para sapat na tulad niya.
mga kaibigan, our dearest Papa. You know what, Papa Ray said? One partner of our debutant, Mr. Ruel Matubang, together with a debutant, a big hand for Miss Rachel May Morales. Let's give her a round of applause. Councilman Dagotillion Dionor.
on saying to you, I keep on telling you that I love you so, and I want you to know. Oh, please believe what I say. I promise you I will stay. I'll be here for you, my love, till the end of time.
I can feel you holding my one. Kung nadarama o sa tunay mag-ibig na totoo ba ang ginagawa? This boy, it feels so good. Wala pa sa mga sila, wala nang nakita ka. Wala nang makakaba, pati pinagtitin na. Feel like someone else with you. It's not the topic ko. Feel like there's no less with you. It's not the topic ko.
in one of your vlogs to say thank you to them, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, right after the surprise, a money bouquet from the Team Rochelle fans worldwide and Well of Malalag, we're moving over to our friends from the Rochelle Kalingap Infinity Global Supporters. May we have Ms. Jennifer Rodriguez Viado to represent everyone. Palakpakan naman po natin a special gift aside from the lechon. Okay, Ma'am Jen, we are also going to give you, wow, what do we have? Maybe let's see.
I'm sorry I have a sore throat. Michelle. This moment, I'm sorry. I can't do it. Okay. This moment marks the most awaited part of your life, Rachel. Every girl dreams of reaching the age of 18 with parties and tutorial. The dance with their father, uncles, friends, and special someone. But only if you are given a chance to experience this. Because God has seen you so humble, sweet, responsible, and lovable. God bestowed you the best. You give happiness and amaze us. Inspire young and to make us feel loved. Not to mention the talents, napakita mo pa lang ito, the skills and wisdom that we have. This is why we, your followers and supporters, your family, are so proud of you. Happiest ito mga birthday langga, Rachel, praying that all your heart's desires will all come true. You are such an amazing young lady. Continue being humble, sweet, and respectful to everyone. Those are the traits in you that we, your supporters and followers, like and love you. Your titas, your titos, or your followers. The reason never change langga. We love you. Again, happiest 80th birthday. God bless you and be safe. The Rachel Kalingap Infinity Global Supporters.
Palakpakan po, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful, from the Team Rochelle Blue Heart Solid supporters, maraming salamat po. And to our lady, thank you so much, Madam, for representing the whole group. Okay, thank you so much po. Thank you, that was it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it does not stop there. This time, we would like to have our friends from the Team Rochelle USA OFW supporters. May we have Ms. Maricel Cuban and Ms. Mila Patalia to present the surprise gift from Team Rochelle USA OFW supporters. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Team Rochelle USA OFW supporters, sa aming mga founders, si Ate Jocelyn Isles at si Ate Franz Somido, sa mga lahat ng admins at members, sa mga nagpadala po para sa money bouquet ni Langga Rachel. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. And happy birthday, Rachel. Thank you.
Oh, without saying anything, ladies and gentlemen, so much love from, of course, the Team Rochelle USA OFW supporters. Thank you, Mama Maricel Cuban and Ma'am Mila Patalia for the money bouquet. Now, folks, let's move over to our next one. Our friends from Okay? The one who would represent the Croreps. Dodong. Yes, it's Dodong, right? Ladies and gentlemen, representing our friends from the Croreps, our dearest Dodong. Palakpakan po. Is there any special message? Okay, we have. Can you read it, Olanga?
Happy 18th birthday, Rachel Morales from Croreps family.
Yes, thank you so much, Croreps family. We appreciate you greatly, just like the rest. And not yet, we're not yet done. We still have more. This time, we're gonna have the surprise gift from Team Sydney, Australia, Ruel of Malalag, and Rachel Morales International. May we have Miss Jimeline Valeros to represent the group. Palakpakan po. Hi there, Ma'am Jimeline. Hello, Madam. Ma'am Jimeline is here.
Good evening po sa lahat. From kay Ma'am Manito, kay Ma'am Christine Lopez. Ito yung message na lang. Congratulations on reaching the momentous milestone in your life. May your 18th birthday be the start of an incredible journey filled with endless possibilities. Remember to embrace every experience that comes your way. For it to this moment that shape you into remarkable journey of your becoming. Welcome to the Adulthood Club. Have 18th birthday. From Christine Lopez, Team Sydney, Australia, Ruel of Malalag, and Rachel Morales.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jimeline Valeros represented the Team Sydney, Australia, Ruel of Malalag, and Rachel Morales International. Miss Christine Lopez, thank you very much. The gift is now with our Langga. Now, folks, aside from this, let's stop there. Let's move over to our next one. We have our friends from the Sexiest Mosang with Rochelle. Palakpakan naman po natin. We have the sexy na Mosang pattern into one group. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have Miss Amelia de Los Angeles to present the surprise gift for our dearest Langga. Okay. The Sexiest Mosang with Rochelle. Woo! Okay. Yep. Let's see.
Happy birthday, Langga. Tapos, sana lagi okay. Huwag mong bibibing ng mga bashers. Sana lagi kang masaya at support ka nila sa inyong video.
Thank you so much, Miss Amy de Los Angeles, the one who represented the Sexiest Mosang with Rochelle, with, of course, the money bouquet. I don't think it's the money bouquet, mali po ako. They are the wrap gifts. Now, let's go to our next surprise, coming from the Rochelle Forever United Supporters International. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have Tita Matea and Tita Rose to present the surprise gift from Rochelle Forever United Supporters International. Wow, they're here. You know what? My mommy's asked me earlier, sabi niya, Tita Mommy, I like your dress. Sabi niya, can you guess my age? Sabi ko, Mommy, you're looking like you're 65. No, I'm already 70-something. She shared with me. Baby, pinalalakas mo si Mommy. Palampakan naman po natin. Ikaw daw ang kanyang pagpalakas. Energizer ko daw niya. Look at the two of them. Both very healthy. Ladies and gentlemen, they're representing the Rochelle Forever United Supporters International. And of course, they're coming with the surprise. Okay, being represented by Tita Matea and Tita Rose. Palampakan naman po natin. Sir Dodong, you are being requested to join our titas. Yeah, thank you. More gifts right here, my titas.
Tulangga from
Admin Janet Bukid from RFUS. Blessed happiest birthday, Langga Rochelle. Wish you all the best. I love you. God bless.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, there is a message. Thank you.
Hello, Langga Rachel. Happy birthday, Langga. May you have all the joy your heart can hold. All the smiles a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you get the world's in everything. Wishing you a wonderful 18th birthday. We love you, Langga namin from GP Trinidad and Ria Silidio from Rochelle Forever United Supporters International.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, our friends from the Rochelle Forever United Supporters International, Tita Matea, Tita Rose, and Ate Janet Bukid of RFUS. Maraming salamat po. Now, let's move over to our next ones, okay? We now have another one from the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies and Fours. Okay, may we have the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies and Fours? May we have Miss Amelia de Los Angeles to present the gifts for the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies and Fours. Tita Ami, you're coming back.
So ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga sponsors para kay Langga. So I think this is the last gift po, mga kalingap, no? And before po magtatapos, syempre bibigay ko po ito kay Langga ang kanyang paboritong bulaklak. Sunflowers. So ayan po, babasahin ko po mga kalingap, no, ang birthday greetings po ng the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies Group in Force. A warmest greetings from the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies, USA, Australia, and Canada. Happy 18th birthday to a stunning young woman now entering her new chapter in life. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. May this be a pillow to a symphony of a hodgepodge and unforgettable and remarkable success. You are officially an adult in the eyes of the law, and you can start your own decisions, especially for the better of you. You have tackled your spring days, which are from your birth through adolescence, and be entering courageously summer moments with great confidence. As you step into adulthood, wish you a good health and may your year be a canvas of beautiful memories and exciting journey of adventures. Always praying that the coming years be a tapestry of the accomplishments, personal growth, and the discovery of your true potentials, with boundless opportunities and the firmness to chase your dreams fearlessly. Remember that you have the power to shape your destiny. The world is yours to conquer. Again, happy birthday, Langga. May the Lord richly bless you in every way. God loves you, so do we. Love from the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies Group in Force, USA, Australia, and Canada.
Palakpakan po! Yeah! So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just share with everybody. Oh, surprise! Palakpakan po! Ladies and gentlemen, that's the surprise with the Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies and Fours, Ma'am Ami de Los Angeles. May we share with everybody that the bouquet that they just presented to our dearest Langga amounts to $1,000 US. Palakpakan naman po. $1,000. Okay. Yes, baby. You know what I meant. Okay. And of course, to our dearest Ruel, this is a money sash or a money lei that amounts to 25,000. Palakpakan po. Would you like to say something, the two of you? Okay.
Hello po, good evening everyone. Gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan yung mga nagbigay po sa akin, sa amin Langga ng regalo na napakarami at hindi ko po ina-expect na ganito karami ang matatanggap ko ngayon din na araw na to. Kaya salamat po. And syempre kagabi, hindi ko rin in-expect na sobrang daming regalo ang matatanggap ko, and then now, meron pa rin pala. So ayun, maraming salamat po sa mga grupo po na pumunta po dito sa event po na to. Maraming salamat po sa RFUS family, and sa lahat-lahat po ng nagbigay po dito para sa amin ni Langga. Salamat po sa pagpunta, kahit alam kong napakalayo niyo po, talagang nag-effort po kayo para puntahan po kami dito. Maraming salamat po, and God bless po.
So ayun, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan po, no? Talagang po, unexpected din na kasali pala ako. Kaya maraming salamat po sa grupo po ng The Golden Hearted Rochelle Ladies Group in Course. Andiyan yung todo supportan nila. Andiyan po, thank you so much po mga titas. And para naman po kay Langga, masaya po ako sa mga blessings. Kaya talagang deserve niya ito, no? Thank you so much po sa mga nagbigay. God bless you.